Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals going on over at CVS for the week. I'll also tell you how I got all of these items, with the exception of these two clearance items, for less than $2. Amazing savings over at CVS. I'll also talk with you about the clearance stuff that I found, as well as how I used my email coupon for $11 off a $40 purchase. Now, if you're thinking, how do I get these emails? I'm going to drop a video down in the comment section below that walks you through how to make sure you are set up to get email and text coupons from CVS. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. So glad you're here. I show the best deals going on over at different stores each week, as well as share money-saving deals and tips. Would love to have you as a subscriber. Okay, so let's jump into these deals. So many fantastic deals this week. Let's talk about the clearance first. So the Mother's Day items are ringing 90% off. So let me show you what I got. The Spa Life face mask, little gift pack, $1.99. It was $19.99, so 90% off is $1.99. Same thing with this little Moonlight skincare set, $1.99, and these are so super cute. You know me, I have a hard time resisting 90% off, so I bought a couple of these, and I think they'll make super cute gifts. Okay, now let me tell you about a deal that you can do if you get the newspaper inserts. So I get my coupons from the newspaper insert. Actually, one of my friends gives me her coupons. But for some reason in our area, we don't get the save insert on Sundays. We don't get it until like Wednesday of the week. But if you get the save insert, there's an amazing deal on these Nature's Bounty vitamins. Okay, the vitamins are buy one, get one half off. So $14.99 for one. The second one's gonna ring $7.49. Now, I had a $4 off a $20 vitamin CRT, and then you would use two of the $3 off coupons from this week's save insert. That would leave you paying $12.48. But then submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you'll get $14.99 back for buying two of these, making your final cost completely free, and a $2.51 moneymaker. Now, I did not include that in my breakdown of how I got everything for $2 because I didn't actually do this deal at CVS. I did not have those save insert coupons. But awesome deal if you have the coupons and if you're using Ibotta. If you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because it is completely free, and you're going to score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Now, a couple other deals that I want to tell you about. This one is so easy. Anyone can do it. Go to your CVS and look in, for me it was in the card section, there are some gift bags. These little Hallmark gift bags, 49 cents each. You want to buy 3 of them. That's $1.47. But you're going to get $3 back in extra care bucks, making all 3 of them completely free, and $1.53 moneymaker. So this is literally the first time I've done a Hallmark deal at CVS. I always get jealous because people are like, oh, I have the Hallmark CRT and I'm getting free this and I'm getting free that. I've literally never bought a Hallmark item at CVS. So I'm hoping that now that I have, I'll start getting more of those coupons and I can get more items for free with those digital coupons. Okay, let's talk about an amazing baby deal. So if you need some baby diapers, this is a great deal because there is a promotion for spend 30, get 10, or spend 45, get $15 in extra care bucks. I'm going to show you how I did it spending 45 to get the 15. So I got 2 packages of the pull-ups. These are 2 for $23. I bought 2 packages of the little swimmers at 2 for $23. So that's $46 total, which means I'll be getting that $15 in extra care bucks back. But I had a ton of coupons. I had a $5 off, a $30 baby CRT. I had a $3 off 2 of the pull-ups. That was a CRT. I had a $3 off 1 digital coupon for the pull-ups. I went to the pull-ups website and printed out a $1.50 coupon off of the other pack that I didn't have a manufacturer coupon for. Then with the little swimmers, I had $2.50 off, as well as a $5 off 2 CRT for the little swimmers specifically. That left me to pay $26. I got back $15 in extra care bucks. I got back $1 for the pull-ups on Ibotta. I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards where it gave me $2 back, making my final cost $8 for all 4 packs, or just $2 per pack. Now, my Fetch Rewards app says I'm like $4 and change away from getting another $4 back. So that's an even better deal. I just haven't hit that spend threshold yet on Fetch. So $8 for 4 packs of diapers. I haven't had to buy diapers for a child in a while, but that's a pretty great price. Now, the remainder of the deals are the deals I did in one transaction for using that spend $40, get $11 off. I'm gonna walk you through the deals individually and then I'll show you how I put them together. Now, the Effordent is on special for buy one, get a $5 extra care buck. Now, these are expensive at my store, so your store might be even cheaper. But these were $7.49 at my store. I had a $2.50 coupon from the May 20th Smart Source. So I paid $4.99. I got back $5 in extra care bucks, making it completely free. I also picked up 2 of the paparazzi nail polishes. These are 2 for $5. They're also on promotion for buy 2, get $4 in extra care bucks back. Without any CRTs or any CVS coupons, that makes them $1 total, or just 50 cents each. And I also picked up the Maybelline Baby Lips. This is $4.19. I had a $3 digital coupon, making it just $1.19. I also got the Skintimate Razor, priced at $5.99. There is a $4 digital coupon, making it just $1.99. And the last item I grabbed, no, not the last. I grabbed the granola bars and these. So these Glucerna bars are also buy 2, get a $5 extra care buck. These are $5.99 each. I had a $2 off 2 CRT, as well as 2 of the $3 coupons from the May 6th Smart Source. So I paid $3.98. I got back $5 in extra care bucks, making them both completely free and $1.02 moneymaker. And then to round out my $40 in spend, I got the granola bars, the CVS brand granola bars. These are the only ones my store had. They are $3.49, buy one, get one half off. So one ring's $3.49, the other is gonna ring $1.74. I had a $2 off 2 CRT, so I paid a total of $3.23, or just $1.61 each. Now, I bought the paparazzi nail polish, the Maybelline, the Skintimate, the Effordent, the granola bars, and the Glucerna all in one transaction. After my coupons, it was $20.38. Then I have that $11 off a $40 purchase, so I paid $9.38 for all of it. I got back $5 for the Glucerna, $5 for the Effordent, $4 for the paparazzi, making it all completely free and a $4.62 moneymaker. So amazing deal with those awesome email coupons. So seriously, if you don't know if you're signed up for the email and text coupons, watch the video that I have linked in the comments below. It's a super quick video. It's not like a long video. And it will walk you through exactly how to make sure you are signed up for the email and text coupons. I've had that 11 off 40 the last 3 weeks, which every time I get it, I get excited because I know it's going to be a fun week at CVS getting stuff for free. Okay, so that was everything. There were a few things I saw on clearance. I don't have a ton of clearance pictures, but I will include what I snapped pictures of at the very end of the video. If y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them down below. What I would love, and what I asked in my Walgreens video as well, if you found a deal that you are loving, share it with us. Please drop it down in the comments. I would love to see the deals that you guys are doing as well. And I love the concept of us helping each other. Now, the last thing I want to mention, I mentioned it the last couple of weeks, is CVS is currently running a promo where you can try the Care Pass completely free for a month. And I use the Care Pass. I tell you about the Care Pass because it's something I think has value. You can pay $5 per month, but you're going to get $10 in extra care bucks every single month to spend, as well as 20% off CVS branded items and like free shipping to your home. It's just a fantastic deal. So if you want to try it out and you've been holding out, I will drop a link down in the video description box. Using that link will give you the first month free, and then you can join either $48 for the year or you can pay monthly at $5 per month. Hope you'll have a fantastic start to your week. Thanks.